I have about I have 5 clocks here in the house that gong out the hour. And I really only noticed the one. It was the loudest one. And just a few minutes ago, it gonged out 2 o'clock. Now that's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I spent pretty well all morning making this test stand and these little pillow blocks that you're going to see. Yeah, I don't know where the time went. Now, this is actually the first time I've tried this. I think it's going to be all right. We won't be able to try it out and see it run today because I haven't mounted the bearings on this wheel here yet. Got to do that. But I was just really anxious to be able to try out my test stand and see how it's going to go. Normally I would glue something like this together, but I just fastened it together with a bunch of screws. After I'm all through with it, I can take it all apart, save the screws, and maybe some of this scrap lumber I can reuse again. It's all scrap lumber. So far I haven't spent any money on this. Well, practically no money. I can't think of anything right now I have bought. Not yet, anyway. Okay. Alright, this wheel might have to go on this side. Or is this supposed to flip over? I'll pick that up later. In the meantime, I'll use this one. Okay, yeah, this will be flipped over. I just want to sort of try and get this lined up here. I want to make sure my test stand is big enough for everything. Oops. That's what these little nails are for, so that once I get it into place I can drive them down into the test stand and hold everything in place here. This is all extremely precarious, as you can imagine, at the moment. And as far as the balance wheel goes, I have to get this new shaft shoved into this bearing and get that fastened in somehow. Got to figure that out yet. Anyway, I think you sort of get the idea. I had to make this one up special. Just made it. Well, I think I could move the whole thing that way a little bit. Anyway, I don't have a whole lot to show you today. So, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.